everybody, welcome back. And today we have Boxycharm unboxing. If you are new to my videos, I do Boxycharm unboxings and I go through them and decide which things are cruelty-free and not cruelty-free. I've changed it up a bit and I go through it and tell you what is cruelty-free and not cruelty-free as the video progresses. I do no longer because it kind of was getting a bit repetitive for me and I like to kind of do more research about it for you. I do no longer do it at the end. So let's go ahead and jump into here. This is the Urban Decay Stellar and it has all the information that we need here, and it just has a couple of like things that you can get for a little bit of discount. So the first thing I have in here is the Petit Four. It looks like a sample of the Petit Four lightweight concealer, and I have fair, light medium, medium to rich. So that's kind of fun. I think that's just a little bit of a sample for me. Looks like just a sample. Yes. Okay, the first thing that I see here is this Lily Lash Boxycharm. This is the faux mink lashes. It looks like luxurious and glamorous pair of handcrafted false lashes that are flawlessly blended in with your natural lashes, blends in with your natural lashes and adds length, volume, and definition. Perfect finishing touch to any look. And so then these ones are one pair of faux mink cruelty-free strip lash. So that's what these ones look like. In the number, it doesn't really say, but that's what these look like, and it looks really pretty and fun. So they do already say cruelty-free on them, but I will put up some information that is already on the screen. And then we have this Caprice, and so this looks really fun. It's an antioxidant dew. What does a dew do? It says no animal testing. So it looks like it's cruelty free, but we will put our own information up there. This looks super luxurious and like beautiful. So it says instructions. Apply that ingredient. Okay, directions. Apply several drops of antioxidant dew to clean skin morning and night for best results, combined with Caprice Beauty Elixir. So that's what this looks like. Ooh, it's like sealed, like perfectly sealed, and I'm kind of afraid to open it all the way, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Oh my gosh, this is like so luxurious. It just seems like this is $90. $90. Oh my gosh, this is gonna last me like forever. It's just so beautiful. I just feel like I want to just put it right there and just let the bottle be super beautiful. Okay, well that's cool. The next thing is a Dose of Colors liquid matte lipstick, which is great things for me because I really hate them. I just probably want to end up wearing this, but it's really pretty, and I think I know somebody who would really like this color. Yes, this is the shade Charm. Oh, I'll put a little bit on my nose. But it looks really pretty in the bottle. Yes, beautiful. So I'm gonna put this back, but Dose of Colors is cruelty free. They pretty much want you to know that. Yes, they very much want you to know that. It says cruelty-free, gluten-free, paraben-free, and vegan. So there's that. The next thing is Boxycharm two-piece brush set. Create your favorite look. Whoa, these are really interesting brushes. Boxycharm has their own brushes. Wow, that like it just looks so kind of expensive, like almost like a calligraphy brush. It doesn't say on the handle what it's meant for, but they're just like kind of two like really pretty brushes. These are really cool looking. And these brushes run for $35. I will put it up and we can see like if it's like sets and stuff. So okay, and then lastly but not leastly is the Celestial Thunder palette from Dominique. This is $35 and wow, does this look really beautiful. This ethereal eternal light looks really, really pretty. Wow, look at this blue. Sure. Be really, really beautiful, why don't you? Well, that's exciting. So this is cruelty-free as well. So far, everything in here is cruelty-free. That's really good. So far in all the boxes, in all the Boxycharm boxes that I have gotten, they have all been cruelty-free so far. And the Boxycharm boxes, the Boxycharm brushes say these ultra soft brushes are handcrafted synthetic and cruelty-free. So I actually kind of want to get more of these because they just look so cool. They honestly look like a calligraphy brush. Wow. They almost seem like something that your grandmother would have had, you know? Just really like fancy, really cool brushes. They're probably going for something like that. Okay, so let's kind of recap real quick, mostly for my own brain, mostly. So we have the kind of free gift, which is the pretty vulgar concealers, and these are cruelty-free already, so we already know that. And then we have the Capri's serum, which I kind of don't know where I put that. Oh, it's right here. So we have that, which runs for $90. Because we're fancy. That's just so fancy. I'm so excited to try that. I need to go through and kind of pull out some of my backup skincare items. Then we have the Dose of Colors liquid lipstick. We have the false lashes. And then we have the eyeshadow palette, which I need to do another video using Boxycharm makeup. Now that we have brushes from actually Boxycharm, that will be really, really cool for us. Is Boxycharm going to start having their own makeup too? I don't know. I don't know why, but I'm just really, really fascinated with these brushes. I just had to tell you that. Okay, so I'm gonna put this away. So what did you guys get in your boxes? I heard that some people were getting like the new subscribers. I heard that some people were gonna get this palette, which I already have, so I'm glad I didn't get it. But I heard some people were gonna get that if you were like a new Boxycharm subscriber. So if you got that, that would be really cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go. I always kind of like to keep these videos like kind of a little bit short because there's kind of a lot of them going around, and I want to keep mine a little bit more like more informational. I don't really kind of test the makeup. I do those in other videos. So alright, so I'm gonna let you guys go. I'm kind of a little bit procrastinating, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.